It is not completely out of the realm of possibility that one or two thunderstorms could pop up this afternoon. We've already seen a couple cells attempting to form, but it's not going to be like yesterday where we'll have scattered storms out there, and certainly not anticipating any rogue severe thunderstorm warnings being issued. Otherwise, it's going to be partly cloudy through the remainder of the evening and hot and humid, and certainly a lot of this cloud activity is going to be kind of drifting away once we get beyond sundown. Maybe a few more clouds coming back in overnight, and then tomorrow morning things are looking okay. Really don't think we're going to run into any issues for tomorrow morning. It's tomorrow afternoon and evening and a little bit after dark when we find ourselves with some thunderstorms possible. This is going to be coming in as a line of storms from the northwest, and still, when is that going to happen? It's a little bit in question. This says 7 o'clock. This same model yesterday was trying to do it earlier than 5 o'clock, so the timing is going back and forth, but we're going to have a cluster of storms march their way through central Texas, mainly the eastern parts. Probably farther west you go, it's a little bit less likely, but this is going to be coming through Saturday evening, a little bit after dark, and into Saturday night as well, down into the Brazos Valley, and then leaving by the time we get into late Saturday night, so Sunday looks okay. Now, yes, that thunderstorm cluster has the potential to be strong to severe. In fact, we could be looking at some scattered severe thunderstorms within that line in these orange shaded areas, and that severe potential gets a little more isolated down here in the yellow. So what kind of severe weather? Well, these storms could be packing tennis ball size hail in addition to 70-mile-per-hour winds. There is a very, very low tornado threat with this. We're also, though, going to have to watch for some flash flooding that could be possible in some areas because of the rainfall with those storms. So low temperatures tonight down into the mid-70s and then 96 for many of us for a high temperature tomorrow. As we get into the rest of the forecast, it's a very, very quiet week ahead. We're talking about partly cloudy to mostly sunny conditions all through next week. And yes, there are still some days that look to be right around 100, namely Thursday and Friday.